You're not famous for your tolerance for spice. Please tell me you've progressed whilst being here.
I'm on fire.
Agua, agua.
I'm in Mexico, home of tacos, tlaconeras, and of course, tequila. Mexico is an ancient place, yet so alive. It's a place where flavour meets fire and ritual meets rebellion. The food and drink here is not just consumed, it's a way of life. Oh, come on. I mean, oh my God. What the fuck is that? In this episode, I'm going to be learning about Mexico's ancient techniques and traditions and how they're preserving and protecting their historic cultural and culinary practices. This is yes, right?
To show you that.
See, I'm getting down with the local lingo. Whilst also looking to the future, embracing modernity and sustainability, whilst also showcasing this knowledge on a global stage. This is a little slice of perfection.
Okay, we can report back that there's been zero progress.